welcome back to Bree's Worldview. We're excited today. What are we going to
do? Slimy.
Yes, we're going to play with some slime today. We've got this slime right here. We got this from Hobby Lobby. This is Cereal Slimy Goop Mega Set. It says it has a milky texture and it has like different types of cereal slime in there with all the add-ins and stuff. Bree saw this and thought that would be really fun because we really like playing with slime. I think it's going to be really cool. She loves to play with slime, but sometimes it can be a sensory challenge for her because of her Williams syndrome. And some textures and different kinds of feelings and scents and things like that present a little bit of a sensory challenge for her. So we're going to see how she does with this. She's really excited to play with it. Right?
Open it!
We're going to open it. So
let's get started!
We have this one, which is called Choco Chip Cookies. This one is called Lucky Crunch.
What?
This one is called Loopie Fruits.
What? It's a Loopie, not
and this one is called Choco Puffs.
Yes.
Okay, so we have 4 different types of slime, and they all have different scents too. They all have different scents, which will explain which scent is which when we open it. It even comes with 2 little bowls for the slime.
And the spoons.
It has little spoons for the slime.
They're many. They're many.
It's got 2 little bowls for the slime.
They're many.
Yeah, little mini bowls, mini spoons, and it even has some little charms that we can mix in the slime as well. Awesome. So that's everything that was in the box.
Yes.
Okay, Bree, so which one do you want to open first?
This one.
This box here. Okay.
I'll open it, Mama.
Okay, go ahead. That is the Lucky Charms cereal. Come there. Whoa, there it is. Oh, how fun. So it comes out of the box and it's in this little package.
Let's go.
Can you open it? Oh, and there's your mix-ins. Cute.
They're small.
They are small. Okay, can you open that one? This is the slime. This is the slime right here. Can you open it? You gotta tear it right here. You see that little notch? Good job. And then you have to peel it apart here. Ooh, there it is. That smells good. Do you know what that smells like?
No.
It says it's orange scented. It smells like oranges, and it smells really good, don't you think? What do you think it smells like?
Heaven.
Heaven. It does smell good.
I cannot smell.
How does it feel?
Scenty.
Yeah, the scent is really strong, but oh, that doesn't feel sticky. What do you think?
Very strong for me.
It is very strong. It actually smells very strong, like very perfumey, like orange, like perfume.
I don't want to.
Can I help you get the rest out? So you can play with the slime? Okay. You play with the slime and tell me what you think of it.
Smells very strong for me.
Okay, what about this?
It's kind of rippy.
How does it feel?
Kind of rippy.
Rippy? What does that mean? Oh, like it rips when you try to stretch it, it rips?
Yeah.
Okay, well, what do you think of the texture? It's not too slimy. It's not that yucky, sticky slime we don't like.
But it's so good.
Feels good.
Yes. Let's go get the icing.
Are you gonna put your charms in there?
No.
You're not gonna put charms in there? Make it Lucky Charms?
How do I?
You open that up and then put your charms inside of the slime. Sometimes Brianna, because of her Williams syndrome, has a little challenge with fine motor things. So things such as opening little bags and things like that that require fine motor skills, she needs a little help with, right? So go ahead, you want to pour that on there?
So poppy.
Made a noise, made a pop noise.
Scary Halloween.
There you go.
So hard.
Ooh, it kind of like crackles. Cracked.
I'm terrified.
What's that face for?
Different. Super much scent.
It's too scented. It's too strong. It is very strong. Well, we got 3 more to try, and they're all different scented, so we can try some of the other ones and see if you like those better.
Can I put this in the box?
Why don't you put, right now, how about we do this? How about we decide which one's our favorite, and we'll put them in the bowls. So, let's put this one in a bowl.
Can you wash my hands?
Let's put this one in a bowl. Put your little...
Pink.
That. And then, where's your little spoon? There you go, and it looks like cereal. It does look like cereal. Yeah. Okay, remember, this is play. This is slime, not food. Even though it looks like food, it is slime. So we know that we do not eat slime. Right, Bri?
Yeah. Let's go.
Okay, so we're putting our first slime in the bowl. And right now, this is the first one we've done. So obviously, this one's our favorite so far.
Yes.
So now we're going to decide which one's our favorite at the very end.
Yes.
Okay, and each one we open, we're going to say if we like it better than this one. Okay, so this one is our Lucky Charm slime.
So scented.
Okay, so that one is here.
I'm putting
Okay.
6.
So, okay, now we're going to open, which one's next? Which one do we open next? So we got the Crunchy Loops, Lucky Crunch over here. And we're going to see which one we want to open next. Okay, this one next. This one is chocolate chip cookies. So it kind of looks like cookie crisp. And the scent is milk and cookies scented. So go ahead and open that one.
Ugh.
Woo! There's one. Get that one over there. All right. Well, this one over here is your cookie. Choco cookie. I don't think you can smell it yet through the bag, can you? Can I help you open it? Yes, ma'am. I absolutely can help you. How about I open it and get the slime out for you, and you start opening up the charms.
What? You think too strong?
You are going to be the one to tell me that. I don't know. I want to know what Brianna thinks. Ooh, okay, that one comes out easy. There you go.
Oh, wow. I smell cookies. Can you eat them?
It does smell like, it said it was cookies and cream flavor, or scented, and it does smell like cookies, doesn't it? Smell. What do you think about the texture? I feel like the texture is the same as the other slime. I think all the slime has the same texture, which it says milky texture. but it's not too slimy. It's nice texture, but they all have very different smells. This one is definitely cookies and milk. There you go. There's your cookies and milk.
I mean,
so the texture doesn't bother you. You like the texture of this slime. It's pretty good. Oh, look, those are little cute little cookies.
super strong.
That one is strong as well.
Oh.
All right, so let's put that one in this bowl. Okay, so there's our cookies and
strings.
our cookie crisp with our
Pink charm.
charm. Okay, so
Where's pink?
we got the cookie crisp and we got the Lucky Charms. Which one out of these two is your favorite so far? Lucky Charms? Oh, this one? Cookie crisp?
Yes.
Okay, so Cookie Crisp has taken the lead. So here's Cookie Crisp. We're gonna leave this one right here. It's taking the lead. Okay, we're gonna move this one over here.
Bye bye, you're just
Bye bye what?
pretty slime.
Okay. Which one's next? What do you hear out there? You hear somebody outside? They're working on building a house 2 doors over, and I think her super hearing has picked up on that. Okay, which one next? Choco Puffs or Fruity Loops? Loopie Fruits. Okay, who's next? Okay, this one is our Choco Puffs. So here's our Choco Puffs. This one she's opening now. This one says it smells like, what do you think it smells like?
Cocoa Puff.
Chocolate. Chocolate scented.
Oh, yep. Chocolate right there.
Can you help?
I got it.
Okay. You smell. I do smell the chocolate.
It's super strong.
All of these are very strongly scented, but they smell good. They're just strong. That one smells like chocolate.
Ouch.
Okay, so that's your Choco Puffs.
Very strong.
It's your chocolate slime. Your fingers are getting a workout, huh?
Help.
Help what?
Please.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. We don't need all these. These are like little foam balls, so
Can I do it?
yeah. I don't think we need them all. So, why don't you put about half the bag in there? A little bit more. I say we're good there. What do you think? Close it back up. Yeah, because they're going to go everywhere.
Oh.
It's okay. Gotta mix them in.
sticky.
That one's more sticky. Good job. Okay, here's your bowl for that one. Okay, we got a charm.
Oh, some more. Oh, some more.
We got a charm. And you got a spoon. Okay, so here is the hard part. You got your Choco Puffs and your Cookie Crisp. These are the two in the lead. So which one is your favorite now? Is it the Choco Puff or the Cookie Crisp?
That one.
Oh, the Choco Puff has taken over. Okay, so we're gonna move this one on out. And we have one more to open. We're gonna move this one out, and then so that one's in the lead. We'll see if this one stays in the lead or if the Fruity Loops, the Loopie Fruits takes over. This is the last one, and this one is strawberry scented. Strawberry scented.
I hope.
The Loopie Fruits.
These are.
Oh, they look like little Fruit Loops. That's what you gotta put in there. These are your mix-ins.
It's hard.
They're hard. Oh, you don't like the feeling of the hard? They're hard plastic.
Like some of these.
You like the softer ones.
Like some of these.
Okay, well, we don't have to put the Fruit Loops in. These are, I'll open them and let you feel them again. These are hard plastic little Fruit Loop looking pieces of plastic. You don't want to put these inside of your slime? Okay, you don't like putting slime, or you don't like putting hard plastic pieces in your slime.
I want some more. Have some of these foam balls.
We can play with that first, and then if you want, you can add more of the foam balls. Yes.
Oh, super strong.
I can smell the strawberry scent from here, yes.
This is super strong.
Mm-hmm. What would you like? Would you like me to get the rest out for you?
Oh.
Hold on. Let's play.
Wow.
Let's play with
Super.
this one. Let's try this one. This is our last one we gotta try. It is very strongly scented of strawberry.
I'm not going to put your face because my hands.
Feels the same texture-wise, right? Put it in the bowl. You don't like this one? Why? What is it about this one you don't like?
The scent.
You don't like the scent. Okay, so I assume that the Choco Puffs gets to keep the top spot, and we don't really like the Fruity Loops. We also didn't like the mix-ins on these, so Fruity Loops goes. Okay, so the winner in Brianna's Cereal Slime Sensory Challenge is
Fruit.
Choco Puffs! Okay, so the Choco Puffs was her favorite. So what was it about this that's your favorite? Is it your favorite scent? Because it's chocolate scented, and it really smells good. And your favorite add-ins, the mix-ins, are these little foam balls. So she enjoyed all of it. She enjoyed everything about this. And the slime across the board, they were pretty much felt the same. Different scents, different add-ins, mix-ins. And this was her favorite. So there you go, Brie. There is your favorite slime. So go ahead and play with it for a little bit.
What in there?
Yes. All right, friends, we hope that you enjoyed watching Brianna play with some cereal slime and navigate through some of her sensory challenges. If you haven't subscribed, we hope that you'll consider subscribing to help our channel grow. Please like this video and drop us a comment down below letting us know what you'd like to see us do next. All right, so we'll see you next time.
Bye!